recipe that everybody is sharing is not quite working. Oh my goodness. How these recipes get by on the internet is beyond me. I am making 3-ingredient pumpkin spice rolls. I've sprayed my pan. Now I'm gonna do half pumpkin and half apple, okay? So this will be new. I saw this, it looks so delicious. Okay, so these are the pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. I've never had these before, but oh my goodness, they look delicious. Now you want to be careful and not do what I'm doing. If you can, get the cinnamon rolls out without tearing them. There. Okay. There we go. And here's the frosting, which we're gonna use. Save that for later. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna unroll your cinnamon rolls. Oops. Okay. Let's go back a little bit here. There we go. Just like so. Then we're gonna take our pumpkin butter and we're going to smush it all over the cinnamon rolls. Put a nice layer, not too thick, but thick enough. You wanna taste it in every bite if you can. Okay, just like so. Then we're gonna roll these back up and I'm gonna put my stuff back on. If it comes off, my spices. Now we're gonna take our cinnamon rolls and we're going to break them into their cinnamon rolly pieces. Oh, this isn't working like I had anticipated. Oh dear. As if that ever happens to me. Like every time. Okay, so there's one. So I think it's better to unroll each cinnamon roll and then roll it back up, because this is just not working very well. Okay. Oh dear. Now we've got a real problem here. Okay. This recipe that everybody is sharing is not quite working. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, here we go. We've got, oh my word, what a disaster. Okay, well that didn't work. All right, we're gonna try this again with apples, with apple butter. Okay, got my cinnamon rolls here. My family's gonna be like, oh mother, what have you done? Okay, so let's try this again. All right, I got my apple butter here. So let's try just unrolling each one maybe. You know what, this is just a really dumb idea. What a pain in the rear. This is not a super easy recipe. I thought it would just be brilliant, but it's not. Okay, so there's the test, and all the stuff is coming off. Oh my goodness. How these recipes get by on the internet is beyond me. Okay, that's not working either. So let's try this. Let's try pouring some apple butter on the bottom. And let's just set our cinnamon rolls in it, shall we? And maybe like that. Oh, brother. Okay, let's just throw these babies in the oven and see what happens. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, here are my cinnamon rolls, and surprisingly, they actually turned out not too bad. I will say I'm a little shocked. Okay, so here is the peanut butter, or I mean the pumpkin frosting. Okay, so I'm gonna spread, oops, oh dear. Spread that all over my pumpkin cinnamon rolls here. And get those all yummy and delicious. Does anybody like pumpkin around here? Dad, do you like pumpkin? I have to taste test these. Okay, so there's the pumpkin ones. All right, and here is the plain for the apple. Okay. And smells so good. We were in New England this time last year, and it just reminds me of all the smells of New England in fall. Okay. All right. Here is the apple one right there. Ooh. Okay, that looks pretty delicious. And then here is the pumpkin one. Oh my. Okay, those look pretty darn tootin' delicious, even if I do say so myself. All right, gonna have Mike come and taste test. It's a pumpkin cinnamon roll.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. That's very good. Is the pumpkin just in the icing or in the cinnamon roll?
In the cinnamon roll.
It tastes
and
like
in
it.
the filling.
Yum. That's really delicious.
Okay, try the apple one.
Ooh, apple one, huh?
There it is.
Mmm.
That one's apple butter.
Very good. They're both awesome.
Yay. So my failure maybe turned out to be okay?
What was failure?
They wouldn't go in the pan very well.
Nothing tasted like a failure.
Yay. I am making pumpkin butter. Wasn't recording, but I poured my pumpkin in. And now I'm adding my brown sugar and my spices. If you need an apple butter recipe, my Dining on a Dime Volume 1 has a delicious apple butter recipe. And this recipe is in the description below. All right. Then we're going to give this a stir, and we're going to put it on the stove and let it slowly cook just a few minutes until it comes nice and brown. Oh, yum, that smells really good. All right, you just want to stir it until it just boils down and gets nice and thick. Just a few minutes. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. All right, I'm gonna go use it in my cinnamon rolls and for my toast. All right, I've got my container or my jar here. And I'm just going to store it in my jar. It'll last probably 2 weeks or so. It's got a lot of sugar in it, so it'll probably last, I don't know, 10 days to 2 weeks. Oh, yum.